Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing my curated list of the best budget dash cams. If you want to make an informed purchase, keep watching. Product number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front. Grabbing the initial position on today's ranking is a brilliantly designed option. I am talking about the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Product number 2. SUVCON Dash Cam Front and Rear. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the SUVCON Dash Cam Front and Rear. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. It rarely requires any tedious troubleshooting, running flawlessly straight out of the gate and staying that way. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 3. IIWEY and 5/4-channel dash cam. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the IIWEY and 5/4-channel dash cam. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. It brilliantly avoids unnecessary visual clutter, focusing entirely on a minimalist elegance that enhances core functionalities. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. I strongly encourage you to consider picking this up, as it will undoubtedly transform your experience. Product number 4. Veement 1296p Dash Cam Front. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the Veement 1296p Dash Cam Front. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. One of my favorite aspects is the sheer simplicity of its interface, brilliantly masking the sophisticated technology underneath. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 5. REDTIGER F17 4K 3CH Dash Cam. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the REDTIGER F17 4K 3CH Dash Cam. The sleek aesthetic is perfectly matched by its heavy-duty architectural design, ensuring zero compromises. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. Beyond the basics, The highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.